Hi, this is Camille from Good Design Bad Design, and today I'm going to be talking about organizing my bathroom from an ADHD perspective. Because of how our brains are wired, it takes us more effort than our peers. So the systems need to be focused on efficiency and simplicity. So first I'm going to start off with my bathroom counter and shelf. And what's nice about the shelf is it makes things easier to access. So what's nice about having a tray like this is that my items have a home to go back to and therefore I'm more organized. So I am going to take this face mask out because what I've found is that I don't really use it, and then if I have too much on this tray, things just don't tend to go back. So I do really like the design of this mirror, but I do need something that magnifies. I'm also trying to simplify my space, so I'm going to donate this item. And as for the 2 glass jars in the back, those are fine. Alright, onto the shelf. So pretty much at this point, I'm just going through items, see what I use, what I don't use, and items that I don't use as often that can be put elsewhere. So this is what my shelf looks like when it's been simplified. Here I'm going to store things that I use most often. So I'm going to repeat the same process as before, with things that I don't really use going in the bottom drawer. When possible, I try and put items that I use most often towards the front so that I can get to them easily. So this drawer right here is my brother's, so I'm not going to touch that. And here is the bottom drawer. Now I'm going to go through the same process as before and sort these items. So at this point, I'm putting things back where I think they should go. Organization is very similar to a puzzle in that you're trying to find the most efficient system in the space that you have. I hope this has helped, and I will see you in the next episode. Alright, bye!